Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nomad Abu Dhabi 2025.
Let's have a look.
My name is Orkhan. I'm from Azerbaijan, Baku. I'm a new media artist working with the generative AI and generative art. When I got a brief and when I saw the title, it inspired me that not just to make the AI interpretation of the cities, but going beyond what human can imagine. My goal in my own art practice, in our life, put the borders very far away from me that even I cannot reach, but I'm aiming to reach there. We humans are super machines. Just give us motivation, we will reach everything, and we will reach the borders that we never could imagine.